എല്ലാവർക്കും ഓണാശംസകൾ. വെൽക്ome back to Creative Mizat. Wishing you and your family a very bright and prosperous Onam. Today we are making Onam Special Ada Pradhaman. Let's get started. Here I have taken 500 grams of ada, 4 medium-sized freshly grated coconut, 1 kg and 200 grams of jaggery, 2 handful of cashews, 2 handful of dried grapes, 30 to 40 cardamom pods, and I've also added half-inch dried ginger, 1 cup of tapioca pearls, and dried coconut for tempering. Ghee as required. Crush the ada like this. Let's pressure cook ada. I've taken here big 10-liter pressure cooker, added the required amount of water. Let the water come to a boil. In another pressure cooker, cook the tapioca pearls with 2 glasses of water for 2 whistles. Okay. When the water reaches rolling boil, add ada. Let it come to a rolling boil, then cook it for 1 whistle. Now let's make jaggery syrup. Add the jaggery, some water, let it come to a rolling boil. Ada is cooked perfectly. To remove the excess starch, add 1 liter of water, mix it well and then drain it. Today I am making it in brass urli, a thick bottomed brass vessel which we traditionally use for making payasam. Add 10 tablespoons of ghee and roast the ada for few minutes. Now strain and add the melted jaggery. Mix it very well. Now add the cooked tapioca pearls. I melted 1 kg jaggery. Now after adding I felt it was not enough. So now I am adding 250 gram pure crushed jaggery. So totally 1 kg and 250 gram jaggery. While the payasam comes to a boil, let's make fresh coconut milk. We will be dividing the coconut milk into 3 parts. First milk is the purest. Second and third milk will add more water and grind it in the mixie jar. For first milk, crush it with your hands. Add very little water and squeeze it out. Now this is the first milk. Add a lot of water to the squeezed out coconut pulp. Grind it in the mixie jar. This is the second milk. Now repeat the process again with the coconut pulp with lot of water. That will be the third milk. Payasam have come to a boil. It will thicken up and have big bubbles. That is the time to add the third milk. After a few minutes of boiling, add the second milk. I have crushed the cardamom pods along with the dried ginger with 4 tablespoons of sugar. Now add the first milk. After adding first milk, don't boil it. Immediately add the tempering and switch off the flame. Roast the tempering ingredients one by one as shown here in ghee. Add it and switch off the flame. Your payasam is ready.
ഒന്ന് മതിയല്ലോ. വാ.
Hope you enjoyed my video. Happy Onam to one and all. Until next time, bye.